Alright everyone, today I'm going to be taking the side mirrors off so I can get them sanded down and paint them. Just one more bolt to go. But I'm going to take the mirror off, sand it down, and then paint it blue with spray paint. Well, that nut is gone forever. I'll get it later, or I won't. There we go. Just like that. That's how you take off the Chevy Cavalier mirror. Super easy. I'm gonna sand the crap out of this. Yeah. Alright, well, let's get to it. Okay, I'm gonna move my car really fast. What's up everyone? I'm going to be sanding my mirrors. Okay. I got to sand these down pretty good. It's just like springs that hold that on. Weird. Hang on, I gotta go plug it in. Okay, that should have worked. Where the hell it's called, I don't remember. I got this thing.
every minute with the fever dreams. I push a mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts. I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Choke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact.
Okay, I don't know if you can see this very well on camera, but underneath the blue paint, like I bought these side mirrors whenever I was like 17, and I thought they were so cool because they are carbon fiber, which I think they still are cool, but I still went ahead and put paint over them. And I'm gonna repaint them blue here in a little bit, so I'm gonna cover up the carbon fiber still. Getting the blue off pretty quickly. Yeah, I went and got some 80 grit. It's working really good. The other one on this is 1,000 grit, but that's just taking it off so far. I'm just sanding all that off. Yeah. I'm not gonna go crazy because I'm just gonna repaint it blue, so I'm only sanding it a little bit. So I'm gonna be on my white car. Once I get all the other things blue that I need to paint blue, the design I'm gonna paint on it is the design off of Too Fast, Too Furious. You know, the Silver Skyline. I'm gonna paint that design on my white car. It's gonna be fun. And I am going to be using spray paint, just so everybody knows. Okay, so I need to show you guys how the spoiler turned out. Last night. That's how it turned out. You can see that very well. And then the back side. Yeah. Turned out really good. Alright, we're going to take it with the rear now.
fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took a red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread